Dear students, very good morning to all of you. In continuation of our parts, that is nucleophilic addition reaction. For example, if we are having this is a ester of succinic acid, ester of succinic acid. It is treated with carbonyl compound. As you can say, this is aldehyde. So, in the reaction condition, the basic condition, sodium ethoxide hydrolysis in acidic condition. So, what happened? What is the types of the product? If the starting reactant molecule is a diester of succinic acid, it is treated with what? Carbonyl compound. So, what is the part of mechanism? Reaction condition, basic condition, as you can take, this is a COOET. It is treated with what? Base. As you can say, this is the ATONA, ethoxide, having tendency to take the proton from these types of the alpha carbon atom. It becomes to this negative charge, is treated with what? This one is aldehyde. This nucleophilic addition reaction here. Here the step of the reaction is a nucleophilic addition. As you can see, nucleophilic addition on carbon oxygen multiple bond, carbon hetero multiple bond. Then what happened? This is a C double bond OET is as it is. Here the COET is as it is. The new bond is formed between the carbon and carbon. This goes to the formation of what? Nucleophilic negatively charged, and this C, as you can say, this what this hydrogen atoms alkyl group is here. So what happened? This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This tendency of what? Nucleophilic which attack on these types of the carbon, and this goes to the formation of what? Again, a nucleophilic addition on this carbon hetero multiple bond, carbon oxygen multiple bond, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is formation of what? A 5-member ring, that is 5-member cyclic ring is obtained. This oxygen which are having this alkyl group, this one carbon atoms, this is C double bond O, sorry, here this 1, 2, I am writing this carbon atom, this oxygen atom 1, 2 number, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. So, to 3 carbon atoms, this one 3 carbon atoms, which is what? C double bond O, and this is a OET, ester is here. This CS2, again this C here, CO negative, and here OET. So what happened? The bond is break between the oxygen and the carbon. So this is attack here, this bond is shifted to what? So these types of the bond is break, again this bond is break. So it is what? C double bond O, again this RCH. So here this is nucleophilic addition, and this bond is again break. Which types of the bond? So these types of the bond is again break. Then which is on hydrolysis, final step. Hydrolysis in acidic condition. hydrolysis in acidic condition, and the last step, loss of carbon dioxide. So there is formation of R here, R. Then this C, as you can say, this C double bond O, OET, this one loss of hydrogen, and this is the double bond is formed here, COOH. So this alkyl group and this OH is lost, and then one of the ester group is here. After hydrolysis, first hydrolysis of ester is goes to the formation of the acid, and again heat, then formation of what? This loss of carbon dioxide, decarboxylation. Final step, decarboxylation is takes place and formation of what? Alpha beta unsaturated acid. Formation of what? Alpha beta unsaturated acid. Suppose if we are having the diethyl malonate, or you can say this is a succinate is there, diethyl succinate, DES. So this DES starting reactant molecule, the next one reaction, if we can take this benzaldehyde, if it is reacted with what? A diethyl succinate, in presence of basic condition, hydrolysis in acidic condition, heat, formation of after decarboxylation, formation of what? Alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is what? As you can say, cinnamic acid, formation of cinnamic acid, this is alpha beta unsaturated acid. Alpha beta unsaturated acid is called as cinnamic acid, starting from what? Benzaldehyde. You can take any types of the alkyl group is here, so you can take this substituent to the aromatic nucleus, it is diethyl succinate. So such types of the reaction is known as what? Stobe reaction. As you can say, this is a Stobe reaction. Stobe, or you can say this is the Stobe reaction. इस रिएक्शन को स्टोब रिएक्शन कहते हैं, स्टोब रिएक्शन. स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टन आपला काय घेतला बघा. स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टन आहेत आपला डायथिल सक्सिनेट आणि अल्डिहाइड. बेसिक कंडिशन हायड्रोलिसिस करायचं आणि लास्ट स्टेपला याचं डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन होणार. याचं डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन होणार. फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ मेकॅनिझम कार्बनाइन फॉर्मेशन, सेकंड स्टेप न्यूक्लियोफिलिक ॲडिशन, थर्ड स्टेप सायक्लायझेशन आणि लास्ट स्टेपला हायड्रोलिसिस इन ॲसिडिक कंडिशन अँड डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन. So the fourth step, as you can say, fifth step reaction, and then formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid. If we can take aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde and diethyl succinate in presence of sodium ethoxide, hydrolysis basic condition, hydrolysis in acidic condition, and after loss of the carbon dioxide, decarboxylation, formation of the cinnamic acid. So this is called as what? Stobe reaction. As you can say, this is the types of the reaction. This is called as what? Condensation types of reaction. As you can say, this is known as condensation types of reaction. This is the types of what? Condensation reaction, just like to that aldol condensation, benzoin condensation, Claisen condensation. Like way here, final product is alpha beta unsaturated acid. If you can take this aromatic aldehyde, then formation of what? A cinnamic acid is the condensation types of reaction.